Now I request the respected principal, Dr. K.P. Shivananda, to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning to all of you. At the outset, I seek the blessings of His Holiness, Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji, our founder president, and start the 10th graduation ceremony. Pranams to Reverend Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, chief guest of this graduation day ceremony. Respected Sudhir Kamath, Director General, Microelectronic Devices and Computational Systems, Defense Research Development Organization, New Delhi, dignitaries on the dais, graduating students and their parents, invitees and friends from media. Today we have assembled here for the celebration of 10th graduation day. Our institute is an autonomous institute affiliated to Vishwesvaraya Technological University, Belgaum, approved by AICTE, New Delhi. Under the autonomous system, our students do not have the opportunity to compete at the university level and are deprived of securing gold medals and awards. Just before becoming autonomous, our students bagged a record of 23 medals from VTU. Hence, we have to honor our students by conferring medals and awards for their excellent performance, and hence this graduation ceremony. Today, topper of each course will be given SIT gold medal instituted by the institute. In addition to this, there are gold medals and cash awards instituted by teachers, alumni and philanthropists. Toppers among all the BE program, that is topper of the institute, will be given Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji medal. Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, Reverend President, SSCS, has the responsibility of looking after the 25 educational institutions and Siddhaganga Gurukula, where 11,000 poor students of all faith and communities are provided free food, shelter and education. Sri Sri Swamiji is a busy personality. In spite of busy schedule, Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace this occasion and bless all of us today. On behalf of all of us, I extend a reverential welcome to His Holiness, Dr. Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. When we extended invitation to respected Dr. Sudhir Kamath, Director General, Microelectronic Devices and Computational Systems, DRDO, New Delhi, to be the chief guest for the 10th graduation ceremony and to deliver the graduation ceremonial address, respected Dr. Sudhir Kamath has kindly agreed to be the chief guest. Sir, I thank you profusely for having accepted our invitation. Sir, it is a great honor and privilege to have you in our midst, and I extend a very hearty welcome to you, sir. Respected Sri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, has made it convenient to be with us for this function. Sir, I extend a very cordial welcome to you all. Welcome to you. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a very hearty welcome to our Dr. M.N. Channavasappa, our respected director, who will be administering the oath to the graduating students. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to our respected Dr. Shivkumaraya, our Chief Executive Officer, SIT. I wish to place on record the valuable guidance being offered by our distinguished Governing Council and Academic Council members in running the institute and for enhancing the academic standards in our institute. It is my special privilege to extend a very hearty welcome to all of them. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to our members of Board of Management of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society and invitees. It is my great pleasure in extending a very hearty welcome to our Controller of Exams and Deans. Many of our faculty members, alumni, philanthropists have instituted gold medals to toppers of the courses or the subjects and have responded to our invitation. I acknowledge their kind gesture with a sense of gratitude and I extend them a very warm welcome. I congratulate all the graduating students who will be receiving the gold medals, cash awards, and provisional degree certificates in a short while from now. We congratulate your parents as well as faculty and staff, all of whom have made your success possible. It is indeed a great privilege for me to extend a very hearty welcome to all the graduating students and their respected parents who are present here. I wish all the graduating students the very best in their future endeavor. I invite all of you to join our proud and accomplished family of 33,000 SIT alumni. Whenever we send invitation to our press media, our friends from electronic and print media attend the meet with full quorum and give a wide coverage about our institute and our accomplishment. I acknowledge this kind of gesture of our friends from electronic and print media with a sense of gratitude, and I extend a very hearty welcome to all our friends present here. I extend a cordial welcome to all my esteemed colleagues and invitees present here. Before I conclude my welcome address, I would like to give a brief account of the activities in the institute during 2018 and 19. Siddhaganga Gurukula, Sri Siddhaganga Mutt has been running a Gurukula started by Sri Sri Uddana Swamiji in 1917 and nurtured in a massive way by Dr. Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamiji, a centenarian. Siddhaganga Gurukula is providing free food, education and accommodation to more than 11,000 students without any discrimination of caste, creed or community. Sri Siddhaganga Mutt is also supporting poor students for their fees, clothing and other needy expenses. Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamiji has also founded and nurtured Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, which is running 128 educational institutions, which include schools and colleges, mostly in rural areas of Karnataka. Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, the Reverend President of Sri Siddhaganga Mutt, has continued the yeoman service initiated and nurtured by his Guru. Siddhaganga Institute of Technology was established in the year 1963 and is one among these 128 institutions. SIT is offering 12 undergraduate programs and 13 postgraduate programs. More than 4,500 students are currently pursuing their studies in the institute. 16 departments of the institutes are recognized as research centers by Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belgaum. 195 research scholars are pursuing PhD program in these centers. University Grants Commission, New Delhi, Government of Karnataka and Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi has granted autonomous status to our institute from the academic year 2007 and 8. The institute has experienced, qualified and devoted faculty members numbering 304 and 128 of them are PhDs from reputed institutions like IISc, Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati, etc. Another 68 of our faculty are pursuing PhD program at various reputed institutes. Faculty members have considered research as an integral part of teaching and are actively engaged in research and pursuing sponsored research projects from DRDO, DST, ISRO, AICTE, VGST and others. A total funding of being rupees 100 million. The research work and project works carried out by the faculty and students has resulted in 1,035 publications in refereed journals and conferences and established a file of 60 patents. The faculty members are closely interacting with BARC, ISRO, DRDO and other premier R&D institutions. The institute is renowned for excellence in technical education and has high institutional values. The UG program have been accredited by NBA New Delhi for 3 cycles and SARs are submitted for the fourth cycle. SAR is also submitted for NAC accreditation. The expert team will be visiting the institute in September 2019. The institute has secured 78th rank, that is in 2016, 72nd rank in 2017, 78th in 2018, and 79th place in 2019 at the All India level of engineering category in the National Institutional Ranking Framework, that is NIRF, MHRD, Government of India, for 2019. SIT is placed in the gold category of AICTE CII Survey of Industry-Linked Technical Institutes in 2015, 2017, 2018 and 2019. The Government of Karnataka has honored Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkuru, with State Environment Protection Award for the year 2011 and 12 in recognition of excellent performance of SIT Tumkur in respect of environment protection. Along with the citation, the college has also received a cash award of rupees 1 lakh. SIT is one among the 9 engineering colleges across the state selected by the Government of IT, BT and ST, Government of Karnataka, for establishing New Age Incubation Center in Information and Communication Technology with a grant of 40 lakhs. The institute promotes entrepreneurship through awareness camp, New Age Incubation Center, MSME Business Incubator and Siddhaganga Institute, Siddhaganga Technology Business Incubator. The management has provided 20,000 square feet of area exclusively for incubation activities. The furnishing of 10,000 square feet area at the cost of rupees 1.8 crore is in progress. SIT has been selected for Unnat Bharat Abhiyan project. Reputed industries including Amazon, Akamai, TCS, Wipro, Mindtree, L&T, Arisent, Ernest and Young and Oracle and BrahMos and others are visiting our institute for campus placement. About 80% of the eligible students are being placed through the campus placement. The institute has 33,000 strong network of alumni spread over 24 countries. With this, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.